Thank you very much. On behalf of the European Union delegation to the Kyrgyz Republic, I'm pleased to welcome you to this kick-off event for the recently started EU-funded project focused on the improvement of school safety. The project aims at fostering a safe educational environment in the Kyrgyz schools, preventing violence, and working towards improving students' feeling of safety. A safe school environment is an essential precondition for delivering quality education and training services. Creating an atmosphere in the classroom characterized by mutual respect makes it easier to teach effectively and to promote important values such as integrity, civic culture, and open-mindedness. The EU supports the efforts to increase tolerance and address the basic social emotional needs of children. We rely to a great extent on the Public Advisory Council under the Ministry of Education and Science. This council plays the crucial role of promoting necessary reforms and to prioritize the measures aimed at creating a safe school environment. Studies have demonstrated that improving healthy and safe environment in schools reduces violence and increases school attendance rates and has a positive impact on school performance and education quality. We appreciate that safety of educational environment is given priority and that it is more and more adequately reflected in regulations and national programs in the Kyrgyz Republic. Still, unfortunately, the local capacity to implement safety regulations is low. Therefore, the project is expected to address the safety issues in the education sector, starting from the basic awareness raising, financial mechanisms and transparency, capacity building of relevant stakeholders in order to implement safety regulations in practice. Furthermore, you will observe that an innovative approach has been used in this project, which intends to develop a comprehensive framework for safety standards in Kyrgyz schools, including safe psychological environment, physical safety, safety buildings, including safety in emergency situations, educational equipment, and ecological safety, in compliance with international practice. The modern safety standard framework will be piloted in 12 schools across the country prior to its use in all schools. This will allow us to witness impact of such initiatives and upgrade schools at a certain level. Let me hereby conclude with these words, and by expressing my wish that upcoming presentations and further discussions will be constructive and comprehensive about the needs for better and more effective education. Thank you.